Tasawwuf. Is it part of Shariat? Shariat is the orders, the laws, do's and don'ts. The words of the Prophet ﷺ, let's put it this way, the words of the Prophet ﷺ and the Holy Book, Quran Kareem, is Shariat, and the lifestyle, the actions, and the daily life that the Prophet was living is Tariqat. Tasawwuf is the essence, the highest station of that Tariqat. That the man is no longer looking now, is this halal or haram? He's looking, is this too much is halal or haram? Is this extra that I'm doing, is it halal and haram? So it's going higher station. Banning, meaning the holy war that the man starts with his ego, non-stop, 24 hours a day. That's what Tariqat is teaching me. And winning here and there, slowly, we are entering to the tasawwuf, to high stations, and now knowing which side the shaitan is going to come, how he's going to attack you. What is zikr kalbi? The zikr that you're saying from the heart, continuously. Then zikr jarhi, saying Allah, 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 out, word, out. And necessary to keep kalbi zikr always, all the time. You may just make zikr now for Thursday night, out zikr, but the heart always must say Allah, 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 Allah. The heart always, the man always has to be in awakening station to know and to remember his Lord, saying Allah, 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 Allah. That's the reason of your creation. So zikr of heart is making you to remember Allah continuously and getting closer to Allah, inshallah.